अगर 8 बजे स्कूल जाना है तो 6 सवा 6 बजे तो उठना ही पड़ता था। ये हमने आदतें खुद ही बिगाड़ी हैं। आई गेट अप एट 4 o'clock। ऐसा दिन कोई नहीं हुआ है मेरी जब से मैं पैदा हुआ हूं तब से आज तक कि ऐसा दिन कभी नहीं गया कि मैंने उगता सूरज नहीं देखा।
बस कल का उगता सूरज मैं भी देखूंगा।
6 hours later.
अरे क्या रखा है उगते सूरज में, बाद में YouTube पे देख लूंगा। oh, no! और अक्षय कुमार ने तो हाउसफुल 4 देखने को भी कहा था।
छोटी छोटी बातें पकड़ने लग गया छोटू।
छोड़ो, सो जाते हैं। If you wake up late and less energetic, or you are tired of snoozing the alarm, then in this video I'm going to share with you some of the most practical ways to wake up early in the morning, daily, hassle-free and full of energy. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Let's first quickly discuss why you should wake up early. Because when you focus on the benefits you will receive, it becomes much easier to actually develop and stick to the habit. One thing is certain, early morning is the time of least distractions. Our minds are also the calmest, making it a time of absolute focus and productivity. The environment is undisturbed and pure, an ideal time for yoga, meditation and workout. The power of getting something done by lunch, which was hard to achieve otherwise by the end of the day, is something you wouldn't wanna miss. No wonder there are so many successful people who swear by the benefits of waking up early in the morning. But let's face it, we need some concrete and practical steps that will actually make us wake up not once, not twice, but daily and with ease and energy. First and the most important step is to sleep early. Let's accept to sleep early is actually a bigger challenge than to wake up early. But if you do so, be sure that half your job is done. Obviously, it's easier for a person to wake up at 6 a.m. who goes to sleep at 10 p.m. than who goes to sleep at midnight. Do you know that the melatonin levels begin to rise after sunset? This is your body's signal that it is now looking for rest. Studies have shown that it is much easier to sleep by 10 p.m. than at 1 p.m. in the night as the melatonin level begins to drop. Higher the melatonin level, easier it is to sleep and better will be the sleep quality. So even nature wants you to sleep early. But you could argue, if that is true, why don't I feel sleepy at 10 p.m? Well, that's because these gadgets interfere with our natural sleep tendency. Once turn off your gadgets, switch off the lights of your room and see how your body will fall into slumber. The idea is not to stimulate but to calm your mind so that you can sleep early. It can be done by reading a light book, or you can listen to soulful music in dim light, or you can fill your room with calming fragrance using essential oils, or you can take a cold shower, or you can massage your feet with sesame oil, you can meditate, you can do some breathing exercises. Anything that calms your mind is conducive. You can actually set an alarm daily 1 hour before, reminding you to prepare for sleep. Just like preparation is the key to success in an exam, preparing your body for sound sleep is essential. Now, to sleep early, it is important to go to bed early. And for that to happen, you have to have your dinner early. Keep it light. If you overeat or eat unhealthy food, you are reducing your chances to wake up early. Have you noticed when you overeat at a party, even though your sleep time may be similar, but you will feel much more resistance to wake up the next day? This is because a lot of energy goes into digesting heavy food, and as a result, the next day you just wish that your boss is on leave. There are some foods that will help you sleep better and faster. Lukewarm cow milk 30 minutes before sleeping tops the list. You can add sleep-promoting herbs like ashwagandha, saffron, nutmeg, turmeric or cinnamon to milk to enhance the effect as per your liking. Avoid stimulating drinks like tea and coffee after 5 p.m. Even you should avoid working out late in the night. They can disturb your sleep cycle. Living in the northern hemisphere due to Earth's magnetic pull, it is advisable not to sleep keeping the head to the north. East is the best direction for us. Sleep on the left side. It promotes digestion. These seemingly small things will tremendously improve your sleep quality, helping you wake up fresh and energetic. The next step is to prepare your mind to wake up early. Remember how when you had to catch a flight at 6 am, you were already up 5 minutes before the alarm could go off. How does this happen? It's because consciously or unconsciously you were preparing your mind to wake you up at 4 am. Else you would have missed the flight. You know, our grandmothers would say, what time you want to wake up, just tell that to your pillow and sleep. It will wake you up. What they mean is to consciously feed your mind that I have to wake up tomorrow at 5 am. You can verbally speak it 5 to 10 times before sleeping. If you think it is a bit silly, you are underestimating the power of subconscious mind. But then there was a flight to catch. What's here to miss? This brings me to our next point. Give yourself a good reason to wake up. By good reason, I don't mean that you have to drink water or brush your teeth. A real good reason. Let's say I will focus on my health now, so I will go to the park daily for a walk. I will start practicing yoga so that I remain calm and focused throughout the day. I will study in the morning so that I have more free time in the evening. I love reading books, but I don't get time in the day, so I will do that early in the morning. I will focus on my hobby of writing. It can be anything. It's simple. If someone asks you to wake up early to play cricket, you will wake up. But if they ask you to wake up for no good reason, you will keep sleeping. So consciously feed your brain with a strong reason. Now in the morning, when you actually hear the alarm, all that preparation goes for a toss. The world seems unreal at 5 am and you just want to abandon everything that you had decided and go back to sleep till eternity, isn't it? But wait. The fact is that it's those first 10 minutes that are the most difficult. If you somehow conquer them, you will wake up. It's like when opening a tightly closed cap of a bottle, the initial effort is the most difficult. After that, it is a cakewalk. So to open the cap with ease, you just need to find ways to somehow pass the first 10 minutes. One thing that you can do is to keep your alarm clock away from your bed, so that when it rings, you have to get up from your bed to turn it off. Don't snooze. As our sleep cycles work, there is no possibility of you waking up fresher after 10 minutes. In fact, you are making it even more difficult than it actually is. Then you can drink warm water. Go to the kitchen, warm up the water and then drink it slowly. It will not only activate your system but also 10 minutes will pass and you will feel up and fresh. Or you can go to the balcony so that the cool breeze wakes you up. Or you can go to the washroom and straight away wash your face. You can even walk on the grass if possible. One technique that I find very useful is to vigorously rub the palms continuously for 1 minute and then place them on the eyes. The acupressure points on the palms energize the whole body almost instantly. Well, anything that helps you withstand the first 10 minutes gets the job done. When you wake up early, definitely you will feel a little out of energy on the first day. But don't give in and definitely not sleep in the afternoon. In fact, it will help you automatically sleep early the next day. And then in a few days, your body will get used to the new rhythm. One thing that you can notice about the people who wake up early is that they have a fixed schedule. They are not tempted by one more episode or social media or just random browsing. So try to sleep at a fixed time every day. I'm sure practicing these steps, you will be able to wake up early in the morning daily and hassle-free. The golden rule is that the longer you do it for, the easier it gets. Slowly it becomes your second nature, and then you won't even need an alarm. Truly, there is nothing more satisfying than waking up early in the morning. The tone of the day is set right. Effectively, you have much more time on your hands. You get more productive. Your mind remains calmer. Health will be yours, and then success is just next door. I urge you to give yourself enough opportunity to inculcate this life-changing habit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Looking for an energy drink? Check out Oryx Men's Energy Drink prepared using coconut water, deionized fruit juice concentrates, and powerful herbal extracts like gokru, safed muesli, ashwagandha, black carrot extract, and turmeric. This 100% caffeine-free energy drink, rich in essential salts, with just 14 calories per 100 ml, will refuel, rehydrate, and replenish you with sustainable energy. Auric also has a wellness drink for women which comes with benefits of shatavari, manjistha, and moringa in tender coconut water. What's good is that both these drinks have no added preservatives, sugar, artificial colors, or flavors in it. To buy Auric's Men Energy Drink and Women Wellness Drink, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 25% off on your order. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.